Hi, my name is Daniel Rockles. I'm sitting here with Evan Brandt from Plymouth, Nebraska. Evan is an owner of two Farmada toolbars, and we're here to ask him some questions about his experiences.
I am 30 years old, and this is my 9th year of doing custom work since I've moved home. I also farm and have cow, calf, and feedlot operation. We are running 3 toolbars at the moment, and 2 of them are Farmada 66s.
Okay. How many years have you been running Farmada bars now?
We got that first one 5 years ago, I want to say, from you.
Okay.
And it has been working very well. Then after that, in the next fall, we brought another one from you. And so it'd be 4 years on that one.
So I think you started in 2020 and 2021, right?
Somewhere around there.
Okay. And how many acres does the first bar have on it?
That first bar has probably around 17,000 acres on it. And the second one's probably around 12,000 acres on it. So
how far is your radius that you run with these bars? How far from out of Plymouth, Nebraska do you operate?
Our radius is probably within 100 miles of home. We're willing to travel, so if they have enough acres, we're not scared to go one way or another way.
So tell me a little, how do the Farmada bar ELXIR 66s, how do they run on the road? Are you satisfied with how they maneuver and operate?
Yeah. Yeah, they run really good down the road. They're balanced well, so you don't have a lot of tongue weight on them. With the oscillating axles underneath them, they will hug the crown of the road, so you don't got to worry about one tire wearing different than the other tire. So they pull very nice down the road.
Okay. Any experiences in the field? How do they perform in the field for you?
Very well. We've got a lot of different ground, between anywhere from flat ground to very terraced, well-drained ground. Very different soil types, from clays to black soils. They do a very good job of flexing over stuff. We got up and down flex on all the sections we need. And with the row units with a spring-loaded shank, you can go through a lot without ever breaking a lot of shear bolts.
How deep do you typically run?
In the fall, we usually try to run somewhere around that 8-inch mark. And the spring, depends on the spring, how late we get. Sometimes we try to maybe go a little bit deeper if planter's getting close to us, but we like to hold around that 8-inch mark.
What about your operating speed and application rate?
The operating speed, it all comes down to how much you're trying to put on. A lot of our irrigated ground up there is 200 pounds of actual end going in. So you're going to be pushing about 23 gallons a minute on that. And with that, pushing that with the valves on the tanks, you're going to be running 5.5 to 6 on a 17 to 19 knife bar.
Okay. And what are the average yields in your area?
Once again, that varies all over the place, but on some better irrigated ground, you can be pushing 270. And on some dry land, there's some very nice dry land around us that you can get around. You can be pushing 200, 180, 200. So, okay. But on average, 240 under pivots, pretty good.
Can you say a little about the service or support you've been getting from us?
It's been very good. They keep a very well stocked of all the parts, and everything they have is made out of Kansas, correct?
Correct.
So it is not hard to capture parts of what we need, and everything's been real timely, and downtime has not been an issue.
What's the best advice you can give us as a manufacturer?
Just keep doing what you're doing. Keep talking to farmers.
Okay.
Listen.
Okay.
Nice thing is you guys ain't corporate America, so you guys are very good about working with us. Just keep doing what you're doing.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.